So in this Google Docs tutorial, I will be showing you how to create a contact list on Google Docs. So once you open up Google Docs, I want you to make sure you have these options in front of you. Go ahead at the top here and select more. Then on this right-hand side where it says building blocks, if you were to go down to project management and contact list right here, you can go ahead and select a contact list that you want to insert. So you can just do a regular contact list, applicants, or sales. So depending on what you're looking for, you can do that. So in this example, I'll just go ahead and press contacts here. So once you're here, you can go ahead and select their name, their email, their phone number, as well as the location. You can also edit stuff right here. You can change colors. You can add a border around it. Like, do what you got to do. You can play around with it this way. But basically, that's how you guys can add a contact list. So once again, go to contact list right here. There's a bunch of different options. If you want to do applicants, sales contacts, etc., you can view all three of them here on your document. So that is how to create a contact list on Google Docs. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.